Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I am here with a quick little unboxing video. Blue Fern Studios' new Christmas collection, Mistletoe and Holly, is here. And it's designed by Jen Bishop. And I cannot wait to look. I saved looking until I could be with you all. We are going to put all the bits and pieces aside and look at the 12 by 12 papers first, just to see what all the designs are. Let me make sure I'm well in camera. Oh boy. Look at this. Mistletoe and Holly. This page is called December Daily. Oh, it's the gorgeous Jen Bishop style with Christmas. I mean, it just doesn't get any better than that. So the 12 by 12s, there's 2 sheets in each, which I love because I always love both sides. So having the 2 is really nice. Isn't that pretty? This one's called Chalet. Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, love them, love them. Well done, Jen. This one's called Garland. I just always love looking because she just has layer upon layer upon layer upon layer. It's just incredible how she does this. Look at that. Beautiful. This one's called Good Tidings. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh, that's the other one. Gingerbread, this one. Oh, how sweet is that? Ooh, that's cool. So fun. This one's Pine Bough. Oh, gosh, they're just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This one's called Plum Pudding. Recipes on the back. Oh, that's so cute. And this one is Ribbon Candy. Oh, that's pretty. Hey, and then this one is Tinsel. This is beautiful. Oh, the back's gorgeous too. And one more. This one is called Twinkle. Look at that sweet little girl. Incredible, Jen. Every time I say she outdoes herself and then she does it again. Again and again and again. Absolutely beautiful. Mistletoe and Holly. So that's the 12 by 12. It also comes in an 8 by 8. Let's just open it and just so you can kind of get a feel for the scale of the 8 by 8. So yeah, so see, I think that is awesome for, like, this would be really, make really fun, even just cut. It would make fun journal cards or tags. So yeah, so there's the 8 by 8, which is awesome. Then as well, it comes in a journal pack. In the journal pack, oh, let's just take a look, see at what all is in here. Okay, the journal pack has papers, and these are, okay, so they're sideways, so they can go in a journal. Genius. Oh boy. Well, this kid's doing another Christmas project, aren't I? Oh, I love them. Yep, so they're all oriented this way so they can be the pages in a journal. Thank you, Jen. Jen and I had a conversation about 12 by 12 paper, putting the focal point on this side so it could be a journal cover. And this is going one step further and making a little pack of papers for a journal. Oh, I just love these. They're gorgeous. Just beautiful. And then she's got envelope. And another envelope. And another envelope. Oh, gorgeous. And then this is a little, oh, look. It's like, could be the cover. Could make a little, like, traveler's notebook size with the cover. And then it comes with some little stamps and some book corners. Oh, isn't that fabulous? What a great idea to do a journal pack. So 12 journal sheets, 1 journal cover, 3 envelopes, 1 3x4 stamp, and then 1 embellishment pack, which is these corners. So that is the journal pack. Let's see what we have here. More goodies. Oh boy, yes. We'll go one by one so you can see everything really well. Okay. So first of all, we have stamps. Let me get these up to the camera. So these all kind of Christmas postal stamps. Love those. Oh my gosh. So fun. This is, oh, I should tell you the names of these. North Pole, this one's called. And then this one, the pine cones, is called Pine Bough. This one, a wonderful background stamp, is called Until December. And this one, what do we have? Gingerbread Company. There's little candy cane and boughs and trees, and then look at that cute little stamp. Oh, so fun. Okay, and then let's look at these. The Bits and Bobs. And these are super fun. And all Jen's collections. These are one of my favorites. So let's just, I'm just going to thumb through them. So they're two-sided. I mean, perfect for decorating and or a journal card to write on. Christmas Tide. Plum pudding. There's a recipe. A Yuletide greeting. Gosh, look at, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that's so pretty. Nature-y type of a postcard. And then that one. This one with the little deer. That would go great with nature type things. Fruit and spice cakes. Easy spice cake recipe. A little, what do they call those again? It's like a mill and a water wheel, I guess. Look at how cute the back is. And then Christmas cookbook. And a Christmas song. So, lots of fun. 4x6. There's 24 of them in the pack. Super fun. Okay, well, we'll just put them. I'll work on that later. Okay, and then we've got some ephemera, 26 die cut shapes. Let me just show you this so you can hopefully see a lot. There are a lot of the elements that are in the papers. Oh, so fun. So there's this one. Oh, so this one's called just ephemera pack. This one's called Frostings Ephemera Pack. And it's all the florals. Hopefully you can see that without too much glare. So 27 in here, 26 in here. So that is that. Oh gosh, the beautiful laces that come with Blue Fern Christmas packs and other packs too. Oh, their laces are gorgeous. Look at this one. It's just gold and embroidered. It's beautiful. So there's that. Let's look at the chipboard pieces. So, oh, let me tell you what these are called first. Okay, so this one with the gold is Lace 87. This one is Lace 86. Okay. And then this chipboard with the little skating girls, Sven and Olga. Sven and Olga. This must be Sven and this must be Olga. And then, oh gosh, look at these. Aren't those gorgeous? Doe and Ray. Oh, I love it. And then this one. Not pretty. Holly Bells. And then, last but not least, we've got charms. So these beautiful keys, magic keys. This one is called Festive Ornament. This one, Fandangle. And I mean, literally, they could be ornaments on your tree because they've got the little velvet ribbon. This one, Christmas Laurel. So that is what we've got, my friends, and it is glorious. So congratulations to Jen on another incredible collection. And congratulations to Blue Fern Studios for being smart enough to get Jen on their designer list. So I want to thank Blue Fern Studios. They're awesome. Susan and Ann, hi. I miss you. So that is Mistletoe and Holly. I will have links below where you can get these. Last time I looked, it was on pre-order from Dreams, etc. But I'll kind of double check that again. But yeah, I'll put links down below, and I'll be doing a project with this here coming up, and that will probably be like video after video to complete the project, because I usually do the Blue Fern Studios project start to finish. So that'll be coming. I'll finish my other 2 journals I'm working on and dive into this loveliness. So thanks so much, everybody, for watching. Thanks for your wonderful support of Jen Bishop and of Blue Fern Studios. It is by far my favorite paper. I love it. So thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a grateful day, and we will just see you in the next video. Bye.